Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add reels on Instagram to your story. So let's get right into it. Now, this is a very easy process to do. All you have to do is just find the reel that you want to repost, and then you can very easily add it to your story. Now, in my case, I'm going to go over into my account, and as you can see, I already have a couple of reels set up. And once I set up the reel, you can just easily go into it, and if you want to post it on your story, you just have to click on this arrow here, and then you can just share it, and you can find this add to story icon right over here. And what we're going to do, we're going to click add to story, and you can set it up if you want. You can edit the music if you want, keep the audio, and do whatever you want. Extend it if you want to, like this, for example, if you want it to go across the entire screen on your story. And then once you're done, just click on your story, and that should be pretty much it. Now, if we check on my account, refresh it, it should be on my account. Not sure why it didn't post, so let me try this again. Search add to story, click your story, and that should have been added to my story. Let's try it this way. Click done, and that should be it. Now, if we go back into my profile view, as you can see, I have a story, or rather a couple of them. And as you can see, that's exactly how you add reels to your story. That's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.